Sunday, January 14, 2024. Second Sunday in Ordinary Time, Day of Promotion of Devotion to Saint Joseph Vaz. Focus. We have found the Messiah. Having a guide to show one around a new place can really enhance the experience. I remember a lively guide we once engaged on a trek. She knew the trail well, and we often heard her call out eagerly, "Come and see," and she introduced us to the unique flora and fauna of the location. Eli knew God intimately, hence he could introduce Samuel to a walk with God. "Here I am, for you called me, and speak, for your servant hears." A connection to God came easy to Eli, and thence to Samuel. Similarly, prayer helps us grow in relationship with God, and walking with Him daily becomes a delight, leading us to proclaim the glad news of deliverance to others. It is interesting how John brings his disciples to Jesus. "Behold the Lamb of God," setting up a chain reaction. Andrew's response to Jesus is, "Come and you will see," spends the day with him, and then can't help bringing his brother Simon to meet Jesus. We have found the Messiah. Have we encountered Jesus, walked and talked with him, enjoyed his company? Do we introduce him favourably to others, as Saint Joseph Vaz did? He is the only answer to the problems of the world. Fruit. Daily in prayer I will say, "Speak, Lord, your servant listens." And then urge others, "Come and see, we have found the Messiah."